Rain and lots of it heading towards Metro Vancouver.
I'm almost up to my knees in water.
Rain has been creating accidents and delays.
Many people overlook the condition of their tires. All of a sudden, you could be hydroplaning before you even realize it.
By applying it through a stencil onto the ground, using a special hydrophobic coating means it's going to keep the sections of the concrete dry where it gets sprayed.
One time I was driving off a wet ramp and I just started spinning.
The car completely locks up. I can't control it, and I go careening through this intersection.
I always assumed that my tires were rain ready, but after this I think I need to reassess.
What's at stake is your safety, it's your loved ones, it's people you don't even know. Get tires that you know you can be confident in, you can be safe in.